Be Crew. Mona Be here. Turn your post notifications. Subscribe to my Mona Be Uncut channel and follow me on Instagram at Mona X Banks. So today is the day. So I know I have not been doing natural hair tutorials and things of that nature, but I'll definitely update you guys on my hair in another video. I'm gonna do a full update to let you guys know what's been going on, because I really feel like I have not talked about my natural hair since y'all know what happened to it. And if you don't know what happened to it, then it will be in the description box below, so make sure you guys watch that video. So I have not really been doing hair tutorials and stuff like that, but I'll get into that into the update. But today I'm gonna actually do my natural hair, which has been very rare because I have not been doing my natural hair. I have been wearing wigs or turbans like every single day, so I just literally been washing my hair and twisting it, and that's it. So I'm gonna take this bonnet off. These braids are toe up. I don't even remember if they were braids or twists at this point. Look at my head. I don't even remember what these were. I think they were 2-strand twists. Yeah, they're 2-strand twists. Flat twists. Look at me. Look. I shouldn't even be proud to show y'all this. But I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to transform this head of mine. Because I am going to let my hair out today so I can let it breathe a bit. But woo, child, look at my hair. Go up. But I actually, even though my hair looks crazy and it looks like it's been neglected, I have actually, I do oil it and I do spray some more, you know. I do keep it moisturized. Like, I don't want y'all to think that it is just down bad. I mean, it is a little down bad. And I've been doing a whole different, like, my wash day routine, I've been doing it a lot different. But as the videos go on, I will be updating y'all. I know I've been MIA. I haven't even been posting, y'all. Listen. Life, okay? Life. So if you've been watching me for a long time, you know I swear by the Lustrous Pink collection. I love this stuff. Like, I love it. This is the moisturizing hair milk. So I'm about to put a little bit of it on my hair, because my hair is really not that dry. It probably looks really dry, but honestly it's not. But it's actually doing, I know it's probably like, y'all probably gonna be like, girl, what are you talking about? My hair is actually doing decent. But I'll update y'all. It's doing okay. It's doing okay. It's weird, but it's doing okay. But we'll get into that in my update video here soon. So I'm just gonna put a little bit because I don't want to go too OD, because I really don't want my fro to like shrink all the way down. But I'm gonna go ahead and put some moisture to it. So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna get in the shower. Now, if you guys been watching me for a long time, then you know I do this thing called the perfect afro, and it's how I get my perfect afro. And what I do is I get in the shower and I let the steam hit my hair. I don't get my hair wet, but I'm literally just gonna get in the shower, wash my body, do what I do. I'm not gonna touch my hair. Well, I will a little bit. Like, I'll get my hands wet and I'll kind of touch it a little bit, but not sopping wet, because you don't want it to shrink down, but just a little bit. So I'll like get my hands wet just a little bit and kind of do like this. If you want a more depth in tutorial, I explain it more in depth in my perfect afro videos. I think I have 2 of them, so they will be in the description box, so check those out if you're interested. Hey you guys, so I was gonna just do my afro and do like a style in the front, but I don't know, I think I want to try to do a puff and see if I can do a decent looking puff on my hair. You know, my hair is still in the process of growing out and getting itself together, but this is what it looks like after I let this steam hit it. So as you guys can see, it's like better. It's a bit formed. So like I said, it's a bit more formed than it was all like kind of like straggly and stuff. Ooh, these roots is tight. Ooh, them roots is tight. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna attempt to do a puff. I'm not sure how this is gonna go because I haven't did a puff in literally forever. I was just gonna wear my afro, but I was like, let me just see if I could do a puff. So that's what we about to see. I know my hair probably was like, girl, you used to style me all the time. What happened? What happened? I was just trying to give my hair a little rest for some months because she been through a lot. And if you want an in-depth tutorial on how I do puffs, I'll put some in the description box. I also put my perfect afro in the description box. So this is basically what it is to get it situated. Okay, so I'm going to go in with some Eco Styler gel. I feel like this video is all over the place, but I know y'all have seen me do my puffs a million gazillion times, but y'all haven't seen me do one in so long. And I haven't seen me do one in so long. I wonder how this puff gonna look. Like, is it even gonna look decent? I don't know. Because I typically wait to a certain stage of my hair before I start really like doing puffs. I don't know, they just look better at a certain length. My hair don't have to be super long to do one, but I don't know, they just look better when they're a certain length to me. I mean, they look cute at any length, but for my hair, because my hair shrinks so bad. My edges don't want to cooperate today. I'm gonna put my scarf on. My edges is not cooperating today, so I'm gonna just slick them back, swoop the two sides around, and the rest back. Because whatever. I'm not about to fight with them. Some days I have really good edge days, and some days my edges just choose that crazy. So I don't always have good edge days, even though it probably seems like it. No. I wish. That goes for anything though. Just like sometimes you have a good brow day, and then other times you don't. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna let this sit, like lay down for a little bit, and I'll be back to show y'all how the puff look. I ain't did a puff in so long. When I say so long, like it's probably been almost a year now. Like, oh my god. Okay, y'all, so I have not seen my hair in a puff, so we're gonna take a little looky look. I really thought my hair was shorter than this, truthfully, but we're gonna see. And I did do my eyebrows. Okay, this is my little puff. I have a little puff. It's so cute and little. So what I'm going to do is put my bandana on. Because I don't know. I just love my bandanas. Y'all know. If you know, you know. Now I got the line on my head, though. From the, it's the line on the head for me. It is the line on the head for me. So I'm going to put my little situation on. Puff out my puff. Puff out my puff. Pick out my puff. It looks cute. Remember y'all, do y'all remember when I used to be like pick the puff, pick your puff? Or something like that I used to say. Oh my gosh. But yeah, this is what it's giving. So this is my hair. Ooh. So this is my hair currently. My little puff look cute though. My hair done grew. It's so weird because I haven't really been wearing my hair out, you guys. So I didn't really know. Like I knew my hair was growing, but I didn't really know what's really been going on with my hair. I know that may sound weird, like girl, how you don't know? But I literally just been putting it up. Honestly, I haven't really been styling it, but I am gonna get back into styling it very soon. My puff looks pretty cute to me. Oh, I got a little puff. I miss my little puff. I did. It looks so cute. I didn't think it was going to be long enough. I thought it was going to be kind of looking a little skimpy because y'all know my hair is fine too. So you know how that can be. But it looks cute. Natural hair for the win, always. But no, I really want to come on here and show my face. I haven't been on YouTube in so long. So I hope you guys are doing amazing. I definitely will be doing some more natural hair tutorials very soon. Also, will be giving you guys a hair update. But yeah, this is like my first time styling my hair. Well, I did style my hair a few weeks ago, but it was with weave. So I'm trying to decide if I'm going to post that video or not, but I'm going to see. But yes, okay, my curly cues, they done grew on out. Yes, yes, yes. We back in full effect. But yeah, like I said, I just want to come and show my face. Now I'm just rambling on and being silly. I can tell I haven't filmed in so long. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will definitely see you guys on my next one. Bye.